Hey sisters! Are you ready to turn heads at your next party? I'm so excited to share this bold and beautiful makeup look that's perfect for any special occasion. We're going all out with dramatic eyes, sculpted cheekbones, and a lip color that pops. Get ready to unleash your inner makeup artist and create a look that's sure to make you feel like the life of the party. This look is all about embracing your creativity and having fun with makeup. Don't be afraid to experiment and make it your own. So grab your brushes, your favorite palette, and let's get started. Trust me, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to conquer the night with confidence and style. Imagine this. We're stepping into the hottest club in the city. The music's pumping, the lights are low, and everyone's dressed to impress. We need a makeup look that's going to stand out in this crowd, something that screams confidence and glamour. Think shimmering lights reflecting off of perfectly blended eyeshadow, a lip color that pops against the backdrop of the dance floor, and skin so flawless it glows under the disco ball. That's the vibe we're going for. This look is all about embracing the energy of the night and letting your inner diva shine. Are you ready to get started? Before we dive into the fun stuff, let's talk about the essential steps that will set the stage for a flawless makeup application. These steps might seem basic, but they are the foundation of any great look. We need to lay the groundwork for a flawless makeup application. Think of your skin as a canvas. The smoother and more prepped it is, the better your makeup will look and last. This means starting with a clean, fresh face. Imagine an artist trying to paint on a rough, uneven surface. The result wouldn't be as beautiful or long-lasting. The same principle applies to makeup. A well-prepped face ensures that your makeup goes on smoothly and stays put throughout the day or night. First, we're going to hydrate our skin with a lightweight moisturizer. Hydration is key because it plumps up the skin, making it look more youthful and vibrant. A good moisturizer will also help to smooth out any dry patches, which can make your foundation look cakey. This will plump up the skin and create a smooth surface for our foundation. When your skin is well hydrated, it not only looks better, but also helps the makeup to adhere better and last longer. So never skip this step, no matter your skin type. Next, we're going to apply a primer, focusing on areas where our pores tend to be larger or where we tend to get oily throughout the night. Primer is like a magic potion that fills in fine lines and pores, creating a smooth, even base for your makeup. This step is crucial, sisters. Primer not only helps to smooth out the skin, but also controls oil and shine, which is especially important if you have combination or oily skin. It ensures that your makeup stays matte and fresh for hours. Primer creates a barrier between your skin and makeup, helping to prevent your foundation from sinking into pores and ensuring it stays put all night long. This means fewer touch-ups and a more polished look that lasts. So remember, a little bit of primer goes a long way in achieving that flawless finish. Section 4. Foundation time. Building our masterpiece. Now let's talk foundation. For this bold party look, we want a full coverage foundation that will create a flawless, airbrushed finish. Using a damp beauty sponge, we're going to apply the foundation evenly all over our face, blending it down onto the neck for a seamless look. Don't be afraid to build up the coverage gradually, especially if you have any blemishes or discoloration you want to conceal. Remember, we're going for a glamorous, picture-perfect finish. Once the foundation is applied, we're going to set it with a light dusting of translucent powder. This will help to control shine and ensure our makeup stays put all night long. Section 5. Brows. Wow. Framing your eyes. In this section, we're diving deep into the art of eyebrow grooming and shaping. Your eyebrows are more than just hair above your eyes. They are the frames that give structure to your face and can dramatically enhance your overall look. Sisters, never underestimate the power of a strong brow. A well-defined brow can make you look more polished and put together, even on days when you're wearing minimal makeup. It's like having a secret weapon in your beauty arsenal. They frame your face and add instant polish to any makeup look. Whether you're going for a natural day look or a bold evening style, your brows can make or break the entire aesthetic. Think of them as the finishing touch that pulls everything together. For this bold party look, we're going for a defined, sculpted brow that will make a statement. This isn't the time for subtlety. We want those brows to stand out and be noticed. A strong brow can give you that extra boost of confidence and make you feel like you can conquer the world. Using a brow pencil or pomade, we're going to start by outlining the shape we want. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for the entire look. Take your time to get the shape just right, following the natural arch of your brow, but enhancing it to make it more defined. Then, we'll fill in the brows using short, hair-like strokes for a natural-looking finish. The key here is to mimic the appearance of real hair, which will make your brows look fuller and more natural. Avoid heavy, harsh lines. Instead, use light, feathery strokes to build up the color gradually. Don't be afraid to go a little bolder than usual. We want those brows to be seen. A bold brow can be incredibly empowering and can really elevate your entire look. Remember, makeup is all about expressing yourself and having fun, so don't hold back. To set the brows in place and add a touch of volume, we'll finish with a clear or tinted brow gel. This will not only keep your brows looking neat and tidy all day long, but also add a bit of extra fullness and dimension. The brow gel acts like a top coat, locking everything in place. Now, those are some brows that could cut diamonds. With your brows perfectly framed and defined, you're ready to take on any event with confidence and style. So go ahead, flaunt those brows and let them be the star of your makeup look. Section 6. Sultry Eyeshadow, Unleashing Your Inner Siren. Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to create a mesmerizing, sultry eyeshadow look that will unleash your inner siren and captivate everyone around you. This tutorial is all about embracing boldness and confidence through the power of makeup. Get ready for the star of the show, the eyeshadow. Eyeshadow is a versatile tool that can transform your look from simple to stunning in just a few strokes. Today, we're diving into the world of smoky eyes, a timeless and seductive style that never goes out of fashion. We're going for a sultry, smoky eye that's both dramatic and alluring. This look is perfect for a night out, a special event, or whenever you want to feel like the most confident version of yourself. The smoky eye is all about blending and layering, creating a gradient of colors that adds depth and mystery to your gaze. For this look, we'll be using a palette with a mix of matte and shimmery shades in rich, warm tones. These colors will complement any eye color and skin tone, making your eyes pop and adding a touch of glamour. The combination of matte and shimmer will give your eyes a multi-dimensional effect that's simply irresistible. We'll start by applying a matte brown eyeshadow to the crease, blending it upwards towards the brow bone. This step is crucial as it creates a base for the rest of the colors and adds depth to your eyes. Use a fluffy blending brush to ensure there are no harsh lines and the transition is smooth and seamless. This will create depth and dimension. The key to a perfect smoky eye is blending, so take your time with this step. The more you blend, the more natural and sophisticated your eye makeup will look. Remember, patience is key when it comes to achieving that flawless finish. Next, we'll pack a shimmery gold or bronze eyeshadow onto the lid, focusing the color towards the inner corner of the eye for a brightening effect. This step will add a touch of sparkle and draw attention to your eyes, making them look bigger and more awake. Use a flat eyeshadow brush to pack on the color, and don't be afraid to layer it on for maximum impact. To intensify the look, we'll line the upper and lower lash lines with a black eyeliner pencil, smudging it out slightly for a smoky effect. This step adds drama and definition to your eyes, making them look more striking. Use a smudging brush or a cotton swab to soften the lines and create that perfect smoky finish. Get ready to hypnotize with your eyes, sisters. With this sultry, smoky eyeshadow look, you'll be turning heads and making a statement wherever you go. Remember, makeup is an art and your face is the canvas. So unleash your inner siren and let your eyes do the talking.